Hello. Today I'm going to show you an interesting activity that is making of bioenzyme. So it can be a very good pastime in this lockdown period because CBSE wants students to make bioenzymes, and this is produced by fermentation of sugar and kitchen waste such as vegetable and fruit peels. So now I'll show you making of this bioenzyme. First of all, you need one airtight container. Then you need jaggery or gur, which you can put in this bottle. And after adding jaggery, you can add citrus fruits, the citrus peels. Citrus peels give very good aroma. But if we are using it for laundry or for floor cleaner, some materials we don't add in it, such as pomegranate, beetroot, onion peels, garlic peels, because that either leaves stain or gives a bad smell. But if we are using it for agricultural purpose, we can use any of these things also. Now, ratio is very important. We have to add 1 part jaggery, 3 parts peels, 10 parts water, and container size should be 15 to 20 part size, so that at the top there is empty space, enough space for holding the gases. Once you are done with it, then you need to leave it at some place where direct sunlight doesn't fall on it, and after that, for 1 month, there is a lot of gases formation. So you have to release the gases by opening lid. So in the first week, you will be opening lid every day. In second week, you can do it every alternate day, and third and fourth week, you can release the gases every second or every third or fourth day. But for second and third month, you have to keep it airtight. You will not be opening the lid. In between, sometime you may shake the contents. Once it is done, you have to mark a date over it on which you kept your bioenzyme to be ready. Now, one question can come in your mind that if you do not have enough citrus peels in one day, then what will you do? You make jaggery water solution, keep on adding citrus peels, and when you complete that ratio, from that day onward, you will be counting the days. Now, this is a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it for cleaning your floor. For that, you can take it in 3 ratio 100, 3 parts bioenzyme and 100 parts water for mopping the floor. So after 3 months, when you open it, there will be 2 layers. At the top will be clear enzyme and lower will be the pulpy enzyme. Pulpy enzyme can be crushed, you can grind it in the mixer, or we can use it as such. We can just smear our wash basin and flush it with this pulpy enzyme, leave it overnight, and next day you just clean it with brush, it will be sparkling white. Then we can also use this clear bioenzyme to make hand sanitizer, which is need of the hour, and it is in shortage in the market. We can mix up bioenzyme and water in 1:1, keep it in a clean bottle and carry it anywhere you want, and whenever you need it, you just pour a little and rub your hands, and your hands will be clean and there will be no germs over it. Then we can also use it for laundry. But if we are using it for laundry purpose, then we have to use soap nuts that we call Rita. So we can take 1 liter of bioenzyme, 1 liter of water, and mix up 1 kg of soap nuts. And leave this solution for 7 to 8 days. Every day you need to shake it a bit. And after that, we can take 150 ml of this soap nut bioenzyme to make 2 clean cloth load of 4 to 5 kg. And the left out water of washing machine can be used to clean your washrooms or even for backyard. Even we can use this bioenzyme to open the clogged drains. We take 1 cup of baking soda, then pour 1 cup of bioenzyme in the drain, and then pour hot boiling water over it. Drains will be cleaned. So this bioenzyme was first of all prepared in Thailand, and pioneer in this field was Dr. Rosukon. She called it garbage enzyme, and she is encouraging every person on this earth to make use of these enzymes so that at least we can unburden earth a little, because it's a very hygienic way of waste disposal in which nothing is going waste. So this way global warming also will be eased. So this I made 10 days back. So I have mentioned date over it, and this was made on 21st of March. So happy making of bioenzyme, and use this multi-purpose liquid. Thank you.